Good PM. Today is January 8, 2024, Monday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 8, 2024, Monday. Here are the SLs for 3 PM result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Monday, January 8, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for January 8, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.